let me show you how to use Instagram stories. To use Instagram stories, you can create and share vertical or full screen photos or videos that will disappear within 24 hours. In order to post a story, you can tap on this plus icon on the top left, which is on your profile section, and now select a image or a video that you want to post as a story. You can also take a picture straight away by tapping on this camera icon. Once you've selected an image or a video you want to upload, it will be displayed on the stories section. Now there are a few customizations such as adding in music. You can add in trending music or saved music if you have any, or you can also add in different stickers. These are the stickers that you can explore while adding it to your stories, and as well as add in different text. You can also mention people or add in different locations. Once you're happy with what you have, you can now tap on your story on the bottom and the story will be posted. So this is the exact way that you use Instagram stories. Be sure to subscribe to this channel and also turn on the notifications so you get notified for more future videos.